UAC Berhad is a leading manufacturer of fiber cement building boards. We have more than 50 years experience in fiber cement, and we export to many countries spanning 5 continents. Incorporated in 1963, today our factory site has expanded across 42 acres. We have a highly skilled workforce, substantial financial resources, and an international track record. Our reputation for providing quality products, excellent value, timely delivery, and outstanding service has made UAC a name that exudes the confidence and trust of clients across the globe. UAC has been certified with MS ISO 9002 and MS ISO 9001-2015, as well as OSAS 18001 and MS 1722. Our status as a world-class player rests on stringent, uncompromising quality control. We are Asia's pioneers of a comprehensive range of innovative fiber cement products, and our products are widely used for the residential, commercial, institutional, industrial, and hospitality sectors. Malaysia has been developing rapidly since the 1990s. Today, the massive skyline of Malaysia boasts some of the most marvelous skyscrapers in the world. Residential properties are building upwards and getting taller and higher in urban areas. This new trend requires new and innovative ways and fast-paced construction technology. Time is of the essence. Now, UAC Berhad brings you 𝑈𝐶𝑂 Solidpanel system, an innovative fast-track system for the new generation of walls using the latest and best construction technology. The system is revolutionizing the way walls are built. 𝑈𝐶𝑂 Solidpanel system is an industrialized building system IBS, certified to the maximum score of 1.0 by the Construction Industry Development Board of Malaysia, CIDB. 𝑈𝐶𝑂 Solidpanel system delivers benefits that surpass the conventional masonry without the disadvantages. The installation of the 𝑈𝐶𝑂 Solidpanel system is as follows. Plotting wall layout with the use of a laser marker or plumb line, transfer the marks onto the soffit. Fix top metal track to structural support and bottom metal track onto the floor using mechanical anchor bolt or approved equivalent fastener. Mark and cut the panels for installation. Move the panels into position. Tilt the panels to enable top tracks to slot into the cells. Mark the door and window opening to install door and window frame.
Install the panel.
Insert rebar for staggered panel installation method. Plumbing and electrical services can be easily installed where required. Patch with cement mortar after installation. All joints to be flush jointed with perforated paper tape and suitable jointing compound. For fixing with heavy anchorage, kindly refer to UAC's recommendations. When completed, the 𝑈𝐶𝑂 Solidpanel system can accept a wide range of finishes such as wall claddings, wall coverings, paints, and tile-on application. Conventional masonry has many disadvantages. Labor-intensive and slow. Involves messy wet works, and a lack of skilled labor can result in internal finishing problems. Incurs expensive and time-consuming cleaning up of waste materials created by wet works. There are often delays with finishing. In contrast, the system speeds up the installation process by up to 3 times faster than masonry. 𝑈𝐶𝑂 Solidpanel panel is ready to be fixed. Good sound and thermal insulation. It reduces structural construction cost being lightweight. Increases utilizable floor space. Reduced weight and thickness of the walls. Minimal mess at site improves cleanliness and enhances site safety. Simple jointing ensures a smooth finish. No rendering is required. The result is solid and consistent quality. Not only does the UCO solid panel system provide the solidity and sense of security of conventional masonry walls, it also passes the stringent and demanding requirements of wall performance tests under BS 5234 Part 2, the sandbag impact test, door slam test, anchorage test, heat and rain test. The UCO solid panel system delivers lower construction costs, quick and easy installation, a flat, smooth wall surface, solidity and resilience, reduced waste. Its smooth finish makes it ideal to use for landed residential houses, high-rise apartments and condominiums, as well as in commercial, industrial, institutional, and leisure properties. And being lightweight, it has the flexibility to accommodate all types of floor plans. UAC is a global player. The UCO solid panel system demonstrates our dedication to continuous development of our product range. UCO solid panel, the new generation of innovative walls. Build better with UAC, the name you can trust.